as good as me or I grammar. In grammar, as good as me is incorrect. The correct expression is as good as I. As good as I, not as good as me, because it contains the conjunction as, which requires the subject pronoun I. As good as me or I meaning. The phrase as good as me or I means equal to me in being good. However, only the phrase as good as I is correct and not as good as me. Difference between as good as me and as good as I. The main difference between as good as me and as good as I is that as good as I is grammatically correct and as good as me is not correct. Grammar rules for as good as me versus as good as I. As good as me is not grammatically correct, while as good as I is grammatically correct, because the expressions as good as me and as good as I contain two as. The first one, which is before good, is an adverb, while the second one, which is before the personal pronouns me or I, is a conjunction. So the grammar rule is that a conjunction introduces a clause, part of a sentence containing a subject and predicate.